Hello students, how are you all? I'm hoping that you all are safe and fine. Today again you are here with me Deepika, your science teacher, and today again we are going to discuss about the chapter 1 worksheet instead of chapter 3 because these two chapters are going to come in your PT1 exam. So yes, worksheet we had discussed in this week, and in our next week I'm just going to revise our two chapters again in detail, and I also tell you which kind of question can come in your exam. Okay, so all these things we are going to do in our next week. Instead of going ahead with our syllabus, I am just revising the chapters so that your preparation of the PT1 will be more and more clear. Okay, so yes, today we are going to discuss about chapter 1 worksheet. And yes, once more thing I want to discuss with you student that I am getting many queries regarding the worksheet. Yes, the worksheet prints are not very much clear, the space is too limited, so it's okay. So if print is not that much clear, then it's okay. I am clearing all the doubts in my videos. You can go through with my videos only so that you will be more and more clear about the chapters, about the questions. If the worksheets are not clear, you have to take the printout, but still if you are unable to take the printouts, then it's okay. Because of this lockdown, I can also understand that all of you can't arrange all the worksheets, so it's okay. So you can take out the printout in the month of June also. If still you didn't get the printout, then I will provide you in the month of July or when the school will reopen. So yes, it's for your practice only. It's better if you can get your printout worksheet because it will be too late afterwards. No, तो चैप्टर का पूरा लिंक खत्म हो जाएगा, चैप्टर हमारे आगे चलने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. So if still you are facing any difficulty, then it's not mandatory कि you have to take the printout, or I am saying कि if the printout is not that much clear, then instead of that also you will paste the worksheet like that only. Space is too limited, then in worksheet always the space is too limited only. ठीक है? So it's not a big deal, it's not a big problem. तो आप उस छोटे से स्पेस में ही अपने आंसर्स लिख सकते हो. और जैसे मैं आपको पेपर्स में पिक्स वगैरह भेज ही रही हूँ, अगर आपके पास जैसे मैं वो जो फोटो क्लिक करके भेजती हूँ उसमें थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे कोई और वर्कशीट भी होती है, तो यू कैन कट देम. तो उस तरह से आप उसको पेस्ट कर सकते हो. जिस तरह से भी आप कर सकते हो उसको वैसे करने की कोशिश करो, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर डूइंग एट द बेस्ट एट आवर प्लेस. हम अपने तरफ से जितना बेस्ट कर सकते हैं हम उतना करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So yes, now move on to our worksheet that is belongs to chapter 1. Yes student, here we are having our worksheet of chapter 1. First question is tick the correct answers. So these kind of question can come in your PT1 exam. First one is autotrophic means dash nutrition. Self, fast, slow, all of these. Yes, autotrophic means a nutrition in which an organism or plants make their own food. So it's a self-nutrition, first one. Second is a lichen is composed of. Yes, lichen is a combination of virus algae, algae protozoa, fungus bacteria, algae and fungi. It's a combination of fourth one, algae and fungi. Algae makes the food for fungi, and fungi gives the protection to algae, protection and shelter. Next question is the cells which control opening or closing of stomata are. Yes, stomata is surrounded by which kind of cells? It's guard cells. Answer is C, guard cells. Now fourth one is the mutual association in which two different types of organisms line and work together for their mutual benefit is called symbiosis. Fourth one. Symbiosis is a relationship in which both the organisms get benefit from each other, as like lichens, in which algae and fungi both get benefit from each other. Now next is circle the odd one out, give reason for your choice. Yes, you have to find out which is odd one out. First one is chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, sunlight, nitrogen. Its answer is nitrogen because rest three processes belongs to photosynthesis, but nitrogen does not belongs to the process of photosynthesis. Next question is Utricularia, Venus flytrap, Cuscuta, Drosera. So yes, its answer is Cuscuta because it is a parasitic plant, but rest 3 are insectivorous plants. Okay? Okay. Now next one is complete the relation. You have to find out the relation between these. Like mushroom is a saprophytes and lichen is, yes beta, lichen is what? Lichens show symbiosis. Okay? Here you are writing symbiosis. Next one is Cuscuta is a total parasite, but mistletoe is partial parasite. Okay? Okay. Now next question is give one word for the following. You have to write one word which belongs to the statement which is given in the question. So beta, any kind of question can come, as no, not any kind of question, as I told you in the paper blueprint also I sent like 5 marks MCQs will be there, 5 marks filling the blanks will be there, 5 marks one word answer, and 5 marks activity based question will be there. So yes, these kind of question can come as a one word answer. So first one is structure for absorbing ready-made food in parasite. Yes, parasites are having a special kind of structures by which they absorb ready-made food from the host body. So yes, what is the name of that structure? It is Haustoria. Haustoria. Yes, it is present in your book. You can see the spelling from your book. Now next one is green colored bodies containing chlorophyll. Yes, chlorophyll pigment which is responsible for the green color of the leaves are present in which part of the cell? It is present in chloroplast. Answer is chloroplast. Now move on to our next question. Fifth question. Give 2 examples of each. It is very easy question. You can write any 2 examples, but I am telling 1 or 2 examples. You can write except that. If you want to write any other example, then you can also write that example. Then first question is leguminous plant. So yes, leguminous plants actually are having root nodules which fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere into the soil. So yes, its answer is green pea and soybean. So if you want to write any other example, you can write. Next is B, heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are the organisms which depends upon green plants directly or indirectly for their food. So yes, examples of heterotrophs are animals like us and non-green plants. All are dependent upon plants, green plants actually, for their food directly or indirectly. So if you want to write any other example, then you can write. Now sixth question. Carbon dioxide plus water. Yes, do you remember this equation? This is the equation of photosynthesis. So yes, here carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form, what are the products? Glucose and oxygen. You can write formula also, you can write names also. So both will give you full marks if this kind of question will come in your exam. Now second question is state whether the following statements are true or false and rewrite the false statement correctly. Okay, you have to tell whether the statement is true or false. A is Rhizobium bacteria, yes, living in the nodules of the roots of a leguminous plants, enrich the soil with nitrogen. Yes, now only we discussed in leguminous plant. Yes, this statement is very much true. B question is the algae does not contain chlorophyll and cannot their own food. It's false. We now only discussed lichens. So yes, it's a combination of algae and fungi, and algae are making food. Why? Because they are green in color, they are having chlorophyll. So this statement is false. The right statement will be the algae contains chlorophyll and make their own food. Now C statement is fungi are plants. No, fungi are not plants, they are microorganisms. D, the extra glucose is changed into a complex carbohydrate called starch. Yes, When the plant form extra glucose, then it is stored in the plant body in the form of starch, and it is transported in the plant body in the form of sucrose, as we discussed in detail. Now move on to our last question. This is like the activity based question, we can say, a diagram containing question, we can say. This kind of question can come in your exam. So yes, first we have to see the whole picture carefully. Now see the first question. Why upper half of leaf turns blue black? Here we have seen the leaf is having two halves. The upper half turns blue black and the lower half does not turns blue black in the presence of iodine solution. So our first question is, why upper half of leaf turns blue black? So yes, what should be the reason why the upper half turns blue black? Because it contains starch. Okay, because of the presence of starch, it turns into blue black color. You know very well that the only part of the leaf which is having starch will turns into blue black in presence of iodine solution. So answer will be like only 4 words, because it contains starch. Okay, now next question is, why lower half of leaf does not show this change? Yes, why the lower half does not show this change? Because no starch is present. Okay, now next question is, and the last question of this worksheet is, what conclusion can be drawn from this activity? Yes, what kind of conclusion you can draw from this activity? Actually, here sunlight is not shown, chlorophyll is not shown, or carbon dioxide also is not shown. So we can't say कि starch will only formed in the presence of carbon dioxide. Yeah, we can't say कि for the formation of starch carbon dioxide is necessary, sunlight is necessary, chlorophyll is necessary. So we can't write all these things. So what we have to write in the conclusion? So we can write here, only starch part of leaf turns into blue black in presence of iodine solution. Because here it is written कि starch present, that's why it turns into blue black. No starch is present, that's why it does not change into blue black color. So we will write this statement only कि starch part of the leaf turns into blue black in the presence of iodine solution. So beta, this is all about your worksheet. This is all about your today's lecture, and this worksheet is very important because all these kind of question can come in your exam. So yes, this is all about for this video. Thank you.